Hello everyone, join me as I take on the challenge of explaining the difference between to and very in just 1 minute. Welcome to English Smart Tips. Today we are unlocking the secrets of to and very. Want to sound like a native? Let's dive into these grammar hacks. Very. What does it mean? Let's start with very. We use very to make a word stronger. It shows intensity but not a problem. For example, the curry is very spicy. It means the curry is spicy, which is above the normal level, but it's eatable. It's not uncomfortable to eat. She runs very fast. It shows intensity, but not a problem. Very tells us it's a lot, but it doesn't say if it's good or bad. Now let's discuss what does to mean. TW2 also means a lot, but usually a problem. For example, the curry is too spicy. It means the curry is so spicy that it's uncomfortable to eat. She runs too fast. I can't keep up. It means it's more than what is good. Too indicates more than enough, and that's bad. Now let's quickly compare very versus to. The curry is very spicy. It means it's manageable. The curry is too spicy. It means it's uncomfortable. Here very means strong and to means strong plus problem. Let me explain with examples. The room is very cold. It means the room is strongly cold, but it's manageable. You can stay inside the room. But the room is too cold. It means the room is so cold that one feels uncomfortable to stay inside the room. So here very strong, but too means it's too much and not in a good way. Native speaker vocab hacks. Want to sound like a native speaker? Replace very with stronger vocabulary. Speak like a native. Instead of saying very tired, you say exhausted. Instead of saying very cold, you say freezing. Instead of saying very big, you say enormous. These words make your English sound natural and fluent. Now let's go for a mini quiz. Fill in the blanks with to or very. Quiz question start. The soup is dash hot to drink. That movie was dash interesting. He is dash tired dash he can't study. He is dash happy about his results. So answer this quiz and test your skills. Well, here is the answers. The soup is too hot to drink. It means the soup is so hot that one cannot drink it. That movie was very interesting. He is too tired, so he can't study. She is very happy about her results. Great job. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Let's review. Key takeaways. Very indicates strong intensity, natural and neutral. TW2 indicates more than needed. It's a problem. Use stronger words for fluency, like exhausted, freezing, enormous. Now you're one step closer to speaking English like a native. Like, subscribe and comment. Watch the next video for more such effective tips. Review all the videos of this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching English Smart Tips. See you next time.